Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, wonderful in your life. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. This is your love general reading for the month of March. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because this is the general reading. Okay, this is the general reading for the month of March 2021. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the love messages, what are the love energies for the month of March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy. Every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages which are important. See, while shuffling also, when I was doing meditation and all, I was getting this Queen of Pentacle again and again. And if you have seen the video, I was shuffle the card and bottom of the deck I was having Queen of Pentacles. So yes, there is Queen of Pentacle here energy. Let me see more. What are the messages? It wants to fly out and there is Judgment. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? No, I'm not going to take it. What are the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver. Wow, 10 of Pentacles. Lot of Pentacle energy is here. What are the messages? What are the messages for my Aquarius? Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle both wants to come out. Okay. Here. There is Judgment. There is 10 of Pentacle. There is 4 of Cup here. And here I'm having King of Pentacle. Okay. There is some kind of judgment which is happening in your life, Aquarius. See, bottom of the deck, I'm having the Sun. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so new happy beginnings are coming for you. Okay, so some kind of judgment is being made in your case, either by your side or by the divine here. The judgment is here. Okay, you want to create 10 of Pentacles. This is abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of happiness. This is very beautiful energy, but you are not accepting a cup from someone. See, the light was very much bright here. See, so yes, there is offer which is coming for you, but you are not in a mood to accept a cup which is being offered by the King of Pentacles. Maybe this King of Pentacle wants to give you some kind of offer, but you are not in mood of accepting the cup from this King of Pentacles. There is Sun here, new happy beginnings which is coming for you. And in the extended, I'm going to see why there is more energies, like there is lot of messages. Why there is, let me see the oracle messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages which are important. See, this is a double confirmation. Yes, new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. That is for sure. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Here the Sun card is here because the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. This is the good luck, good fortune, the good karma which is coming for you. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. And here I'm having the Sun. This is beautiful. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so which is coming for you? Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Hermit. Right now you are doing your soul searching, you are working on yourself, You are doing your inner work, your healing and all. Either you are married to this person, okay, I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to show you here. Temperance and Hierophant is here. So you need to keep your patience. Either you are going to get married to this person, or you are already married with this person here. With this King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. Because this is a power couple which I'm looking here. Okay, this is a power couple, and this is someone, this couple is someone who is maybe financially stable, grounded, who knows how to manage finances. Okay, you know very well, Aquarius, how to manage finances. You are good in that, and you are making a, some kind of judgment is being made in your case by the divine here. Okay, in the extended, I'm going to see these energies, but there are new happy beginnings which are coming for you. That is for sure. That is for sure, which is coming for you. I'm going to take it. See, again the sun, the light was getting dark, light bright, and then again it was there. So yes, these new beginnings are coming for you. That is for sure. Okay, let me see what are the messages. I just cut it out, and here I'm having abundance. Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Abundance is coming for you. Lot of abundance is coming for you, because here this is very beautiful energy of 10 of Pentacles, but you are not ready to accept a cup from this King of Pentacles. Okay, here I'm having four of cup, but please see how beautiful this cup is. Don't focus on the past energies, on the past things. In the extended, I'm going to see why there is happening. See, expansion is happening for you. Let me see more. Let me see one or two cards. Miracles. Wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having passion. If you are not, 10707 was the recording reading time. Work on your passions, Aquarius. Maybe you are working on your passions here. If you are not working, that you have to, then you have to work on your passions. Some kind of miracles is going to happen in your life. Okay, that's why here I'm having the Wheel of Fortune here. Can you see? Miracle is going to happen because Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. That's why miracle is going to happen for you. Okay, but if you're not working on your passion, you have to start working on your passions, Aquarius. Okay, start working on your passions. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one card or two cards from the yogic path. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Yamas. Let me read it out. Wow. This is 8th stage of yoga. Universal morality. Your kindness, compassion and generosity beam to all around you. The ahimsa compassion you display to all living beings does not go unnoticed. Only honesty flows from your lips. You speak words, step in truth, satya. You display honor in your astya, non-stealing. Because of your deep sense of brahmacharya control, you focus on what truly matters and have let go of excess belongings, practicing aparhinga or non-possessiveness. Continue shedding all that does not serve you as you blossom closer to your highest self, because you are letting go of all those things which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius. That's why you have reached on the 8th stage of yoga. That means that, so beautiful new happy beginnings are happening in your life because you are working on yourself. You are letting go all those things which don't serve your highest good. That's why there was a Hermit card here, because you are working on yourself here. You are working on your finances here. I can see that you are working on your finances. You are working on your healing. You're doing your inner practice, your inner work. You are doing your soul searching. That's why new happy beginnings are coming for you. Beautiful cards. You are letting go all those things which don't serve your highest good. You're letting go of the past things, and that's beautiful thing. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the angels. What are the messages for Aquarius? Beautiful cards. See, abundance and blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. See, lot of blessings, lot of abundance is coming for you. You are learning experiences because you are learning your experiences, you are learning your lessons. Okay, see, that's what this card is, Yamas. You are learning your experiences, and you are letting go of all those things which don't serve your highest good. Can you see there is a lot of light? This is the Hermit card. Okay, so you are doing your soul searching here. Okay, you are doing your soul searching, you're finding your answers from within your own self. That's why beautiful things are coming for you. There are a lot of blessings, miracle, abundance which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, don't be in this energy of Four of Cups. Okay, that's your decision, your life. In the extended also, I am going to see these energies, why you are in this energy of Four of Cup from this person, because this is your power couple, this is your match here. Can you see the King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle is here both? But in the extended, I'm going to see why there is Four of Cup energy. But you are learning from your experiences here. Okay, lot of miracles, new happy beginning, blessings, abundance are coming for you. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me add one or two cards from Everyday Miracle. What is the message for Aquarius? Too many cards. What is the message for Aquarius? I am affected only by my thoughts. Seek not to change the world, but choose to change your mind about the world. What you see reflects your thinking, and your thinking but reflects your choice of what you want to see. So you cannot change any other one. Okay, Aquarius, you can only affected by own thoughts. You cannot affected by any other opinions, any other person choice. No, you only can affected by your own thoughts. So please be focused what you are thinking. So beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let me add more messages for you from the Activation Oracle card. One card from this. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Sacral chakra. So you have to work on your sacral chakra, Aquarius. Okay, you have to work on your sacral chakra. You have to activate your sacral chakra. And if you are already working on your sacral chakra, that means that you are activating your sacral chakra here. Lot of yellow light, lot of orange light. Light is there in today's reading, Aquarius. The frequency of sacral chakra, the orange flower of life, supports our ability to flow our desires and stimulates our creative power to manifest success and abundance in our life. That's true. That's very true. Okay, so beautiful things. See, lot of yellow light because here I'm having hermit mode, because you're doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. You are looking answers from within yourself, within your soul, that what your soul wants. And that's beautiful, Aquarius. That's beautiful. So this was the message. Let's add some message from the Divine Abundance Oracle card. Let's add one or two messages. This is beautiful deck. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Give me the one message. What is the message? Okay. See, bottom of the deck I'm having change. Change is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. When the ego finally sees the utter madness of trying to control everything, you come to a scared crossroads in your own evolution here. So change is coming for you. That is beautiful. And here I'm having letting go, and this is Shivji. Beautiful message. Beautiful message. Everything is indeed out of control and God will hold it all. I can safely let go. If you are still holding on anything which don't serve your highest good, Aquarius, you need to let go. Okay, so let go anything which don't serve your highest good. Beautiful and very powerful message from Lord Shiv. Okay, this is very beautiful because divine is only the one who has, you have to trust the divine plan. Everything is working according to the divine. So beautiful thing, beautiful message which I got for you. Let's add one message from the Super Attractor deck. Thank you for giving the message for my Aquarius. Let's see what is the message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. What is the message? Believing in spiritual guidance gives me certainty and the freedom to keep dreaming even when I can't yet see the result. That's true. Beautiful. You have to believe in your spiritual guidance, and even when you can't see the result, you have to follow your guidance. That's the message which I'm getting for you. Beautiful. I got two message. Thank you for giving the message. Purpose and energy. I work with my dreams and my spirit's energy to reach my highest good. Beautiful message. Okay, so work with your own energy. And here I'm having purpose. My dreams connect me to my purpose. Okay, so purpose and energy is the message from this deck, and this is beautiful message which I'm getting for you. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one or two message from the divine doors. What are the messages for Aquarius? Draw down the moon. The forest nymphs dance in sheer delight, singing soft songs. Find us in the wine. Good night. Draw down the moon is the message here. As you know that moon energy is going to affect you in a positive way. If you are balanced, then it is going to give you positive messages, positive things. If you are not in a balanced state, then you are going to affected by the lunar energies of the moon. So please be in state of the balance. Okay, you will get to know that whether you are balanced or not. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Let me add one more message. Okay, to feel your initiate sense of truth, develop open-mindedness. Beautiful message. So that's the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add the zodiac signs which you are dealing with. Let me see what are the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with. Let me see what are the signs which Aquarius are dealing with. There is a Scorpio here. Okay, you can be dealing with Scorpio. Then there is a Leo. There is a Pisces. There is Capricorn. Okay, Scorpio, Leo, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Gemini. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces and Leo. Okay, and Scorpio. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So this was your general love reading for the month of March 2021. In the extended, I'm going to see these cards, these energies. Okay, in the extended one, that why you are in this energy of Four of Cups. And I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Please take care of yourself. Sending you lots of healing energy, beautiful energy, happiness. Take care of yourself wherever you are in the world. See you soon, Aquarius.